Legal disclaimer. You are viewing a We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems either provided by or created by We're All Satoshi belong solely to We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing or reselling any We Are All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
Okay, good afternoon again. And as I said, our innovator, the child genius who has brought us BTCC, their Boomerang, 9Pay, Take Capital, and Capital 3.0 is here to give us an update. Please help me to welcome Shavez.
Thank you, Grace. Hello, everyone. Welcome to UK Prime Time. Today is Wednesday. I'm here.
Recording in progress.
You all are doing good. First of all, congratulations to the whole community. We have one more product in our suite, and it gives me, I feel more confident, and all thanks to you guys and all thanks to the tech team who have been behind the development and deployment of all these products and services that we are able to give and provide to the whole community. And this extended family have been increasing every day and will be increasing with more and more products. As Grace said, we have a list of products now, starting from Bitcoin code, mining system, and Boomerang, Boomerang, 9Pay, Take Capital, Capital 3.0, and many more to come. So this whole synergy that we have created in not more than 1 year is something which is remarkable. And you all have been responsible, and you all have been the part of the success of everything that we have been able to do so far. So let's today's update is going to be very, very interesting. I'm going to do a few announcements that are going to make you guys really, really happy. Before I do that, let me first update about Boomerang, which is, of course, the most awaited update on Wednesday for you guys. So with Boomerang, we were compliant with the Polygon updates, and we had everything integrated even before Boomerang migration took place. So even at the time of migration from Matic to POL was going on, we were operating as a DApp. And once the migration took place, there are services which are now modified and which are now altered a little bit. Working fine. So Polygon started updating these services. Let us wait until these services are updated, are properly in place. So the ETA from Polygon ecosystem and also the third-party providers which are associated with Polygon to provide us these database services, these monitoring services, price monitoring services, latency services. There are so many elements associated, because it's just a click that you make and you have profit in your wallet. So there's a lot which goes in the background. So all these services need to be updated according to the new structure of Polygon. So they are updating. Hopefully by 13th of September, these updates will be fully functional, and we are already compliant. So we will just test and go live by 14th or 15th. So I'm hoping it will be done. If it is done sooner, then we will go live even before. So once we go live, what you will see in Boomerang, number one, you will be able to make 2 trades a day. And the moment we go live, we will operate for 2 to 3 days and we go on maintenance again. And a very good news for the community, we will be able to make 4 trades a day after first maintenance. And followed by this maintenance, we will operate for 5 to 6 days and then we will go for maintenance. And then next update will be the lifting of the restriction according to the profit ceiling. So higher the profit ceiling, the more trades will be. Likewise, we will have the deployment done. We have the whole matrix created. We have the whole system that is set forward to provide more and more trades to the higher profit ceiling users. So next update will be this, and then will be the bigger version of the update. After this update, we will go on maintenance again after operations of 4 to 5 days, and this update will bring 8 trades on Polygon for everyone. So in next 2 weeks, we are going to see transformation on Boomerang ecosystem. So team is set to deliver, to deploy all these changes. We were just waiting for Polygon to resume, Polygon services to resume operations, and we can't wait. I can't wait to see you guys making 8 trades a day on Polygon. This is big news. And on top of this, we are also ready with 2 more networks. One of them will be deployed hopefully within September. So this will give you 2 extra trades on a new network as well. So this is it. And I am working with my team really hard and making sure that we deliver what you expected. So, and it is just matter of time, as I said. Also, the most important thing to notice, I don't know how many people noticed last time when we went live with 2 trade functionality permanently, we saw the ticket size of the profit increasing. So the profits will also increase with time, and even some users saw close to $2 worth of profit in one trade. So these rare opportunities will be less rarely available on flash loan arbitrage with Boomerang now. So, and I'm not promising that everyone is going to get $2, but this frequency will slowly increase, because this is not something which I can cook in kitchen and serve it to you guys. This is a process which algorithms they follow. This is the due course of time which artificial intelligence requires, right? So we will discuss more on Friday about artificial intelligence as we sit and talk about AI and disruptive technology on Friday. So you can join on Friday. I will talk in detail about AI and how AI can potentially disrupt. Okay, now coming on to 9pay. Congratulations everyone. Again, we have 9pay pre-sales in place. You guys have been selling cards aggressively, buying cards aggressively. I saw most of the 9 platinum and 9 prime cards being bought by the leaders, because now leaders are buying for themselves, and then they would start to sell. So more than 9 choice card, we have sales of prime and platinum more, which is giving me information or idea that leaders are buying for them first, because we have a very big structure on our own that we don't need to go to the market first. We have self-sustained market in our ecosystem itself, where you can use USDT BTC20 to buy cards for you, which is the incredible feature of our blockchain ecosystem. And this is how we will always be self-sustainable with all the products we we introduce or we come across in the market. And moving forward, I will keep on improving with more utilities of BTC20 assets. Okay, so this, and on top of this, I need to also update in detail about the 9pay features which are added in the app and which are going to be which will be available from the day one, but we will roll the app out in stages. So I need to share my screen. Okay. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Perfect. All right. So as I said last time, you guys can spend anything, any asset which are there on exchanges using 9pay cards. So you can spend a bunch of them. But remember and understand this very, very carefully, that spending USDT will be the cheapest using 9pay. Okay. USDT TRC20 especially will be the asset for which the fee will be very, very less. Base fee. On spending other assets like Shiba, like BNB, like DAI, like Tron, like Ethereum, like Bitcoin Cash, like Solana, like USDC, it will be a little more because of the swap. So when there is swap, there is features. So we are all set to go live with 9pay by the end of September on 27th or 30th of September. This is the tentative date that we have from the tech team. And in version 1, you will see instant payments with virtual cards. You will get your physical cards. You will get Apple Pay integration, Google Pay integration. You will be able to send and receive crypto using 9pay without any fee. This is also okay. So let's say I have $1,000 in my wallet. I can send it to Grace's wallet in 9pay by typing Grace's phone number, and there will be zero fee of the transaction. So you can do zero fee transfers within 9pay app. And in future, we will also include many modes of sending, like usernames, when we will have complete database intact. So let's say your username is something, you can send it to me, you can send it to QR codes, of course. That is the basic feature of cryptocurrencies. Okay. And okay, let's talk about the features of version 2. So this version 2 is already there in the app, but we will start unlocking these features in stages. The development is done. These features will be there in the app, but these features will not be accessible from day one. Day one, you will have basic functionality of spending card, like I promised. But these add-on features, additional features were not promised by me, were not marketed by me, but I'm introducing all these features as well. These features include staking program, in which you can stake any cryptocurrency inside 9pay, including BTCC. You heard it right. Including Bitcoin code, you can stake inside the 9pay app, and on the staking, you will get yield. Starting from 12 to 18% yield, you will receive every year that you can spend directly. So the mining ecosystem, where you are mining BTCC every day, you mine, you harvest, you then stake. So you don't have to sell your BTCC. You don't have to liquidate your BTCC. Your coin is your coin always. You stake it and make money. You earn that commission, you earn that interest yield whatever you call that, and you spend with 9pay. As simple as that. This will be amazing. You can stake your Bitcoin, you can stake your USDT, you can stake Solana, you can stake any cryptocurrency, and you will get staking rewards. You will get yield. So our staking mechanism is also ready. We will release it next after rolling out the basic app. Okay, now this is done. We have on-ramp and off-ramp services also to offer. So you can buy crypto using 9pay app. If you have your bank credit card, debit card, you can buy crypto using 9pay app. Your crypto will be loaded inside your 9pay app. You can spend your crypto. You can send that crypto to anyone by their phone number. So sending money, and they can withdraw also in fiat. So fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat is on-ramp and off-ramp services that we will offer. So more or less, this 9pay app will become a bank and crypto spending platform with the card. So we will offer on-ramp and off-ramp services. Okay. So like I explained, you deposit fiat, you withdraw fiat using 9pay app. And by fiat, I mean everything: US dollars, euro, pound, all the currencies. You have Vietnamese. What is the currency in Vietnam? Vietnamese
Dong.
Dong. Yes, dong. Okay. By Vietnamese dong, I remember I have interview with one of the national TV in Vietnam. Hopefully in a couple of days. So I will be introducing 9pay application in in national news in Vietnam. Okay, so you can deposit and withdraw fiat. So while we are offering on-ramp and off-ramp services, it works sort of like a bank. So we will offer you bank account numbers as well. We will provide you IBAN numbers inside 9pay app. So you will have your international bank account number individually for you. For this, we are figuring out a fee. If the fee will be applied, then we will notify you. But you will be able to use on-ramp and off-ramp services for free, including your $100 membership that you have with the card. But for IBAN, it may be a cost that we will see. So people who want banking services, who want IBAN numbers, they can apply and they will receive international bank account numbers. They can do SEPA transfers in Europe. They can do SWIFT transfers internationally. So this will be also very, very important and very, very easy access use for 9pay users to do anything and everything with the crypto. So this sort of penetration we have institutionally for you, which is ready. So you understand, now we can put your 9pay billboards on airports, on big destinations, even on the seats at the back of airlines. We will put 9pay cards, advertisements there. I believe you would be proud to see 9pay advertisements on major airports everywhere. So this is a kind of ecosystem that I have been working hard to build, and you all have been working hard to accomplish with me. And this is it. We are here. We are here, right here. and there will be much and more, so much more. So, okay, now I will take you guys to another so this Wednesday I have exciting things. All right. So let me take you guys to another. Now I have so many pitch decks that to all hours. It's very difficult to keep a track. I don't know how you guys will manage. You guys asked me for this. So I created all these projects. Okay. So we have Capital 3.0. We are ready in terms of legal structure. We are ready in terms of setting up the 3.0 token allocations. In terms of tech, we are all Satoshi side, we are still testing. By 15th of September, we will finish the whole testing of the ecosystem, because here it is 5x of the potential earning. So the existing ecosystem in Waas is making you 3 times of what you put in, but with Capital 3.0, you will make 5 times of what you put in. So the functionalities, putting together everything in the same tech, it was very difficult. Also to give you guys the rewards, the calculation of the volume from all the projects at once, it was difficult. So, but we did it. We functionality wise, we integrated 5x and 3x in the same affiliate model, and we are now ready, almost ready with Capital 3.0. So I will announce hopefully by 15th or before 15th, if we finish testing, then I will announce the release date of Capital 3.0 packages on We Are All Satoshi. And I believe you guys are aware of the concept. How many people were there on Sunday in Trashid's training? Let's get a head count so that I don't have to explain again and again. Okay. Very good. Rest of you don't understand what is Capital 3.0?
Shavez, they were not there.
Not there?
Yeah, we had a strength of 170 something.
Okay, so they're lost. Not a problem. People who were there, they will make 5x faster. Okay, and then they will make another 5x while these guys will start to make 5x. So it is cool. But anyways, I will not leave anyone behind, and I will ensure that everybody would be included in everything that we do. Regardless of, jokes apart, you join the Zoom, you don't join the Zoom. If you are part of this community, you are destined to make money. You are destined to achieve financial freedom. Right, David? Okay. So Capital 3.0. The next phase of internet, I will explain just in 5 minutes, and I will announce what I want to announce, and that will make you guys really, really happy. Okay, so as we are moving towards the bullish run of the market, not on the ground right now, but yes, in terms of preparedness from the backstage, or you can say the market is now getting ready to witness the bull run. There are some projects which are called unicorns of the market, which will be called Amazon's, Google, Facebook of Web3. What all projects will be the next unicorns emerging in this bull run, we don't know. I also don't know, unfortunately. So we don't know what is going to be the trend of the market. So to understand this, we need to participate in the process where the money flows into the market. And where the most of the money is flowing, that means it is going to be the next unicorn. And the route is the top tier funds, which have been responsible to, which have been responsible to create this industry into a $2 trillion programmable money industry. And this industry will move from 2 to 10, but this inflow of money is going to be majorly from all these top tier funds, where the foundation of unicorns they take place. So we will also participate with top tier funds, and you can see the returns what these unicorns have made, and at the same time what were the returns from bitcoins that were realized during this period of last run of the market, where investors, where funds have made 550x with Solana, and at the same time Bitcoin holders just realized 6x. I'm not saying it's not good to hold Bitcoin, but this is the working state of the market. This is the whole industry which is driven by Bitcoin, but it is, you know, the reason it is very interesting. It is said that, you know, you don't hold Bitcoin, you hodl Bitcoin. You hold on to dear life, right? You hold on for dear life Bitcoin. What you hold, you are not going to sell. You expect it to be $1 million after 10 years. That's why you hold on to your dear life, right? But you need to have, or you need to learn, or you need to know the ways how you can hold on to more Bitcoins, right? This is the strategy, right? How many people hold Bitcoin right now? Raise your hands. Even $10 of it. I think most of you. Okay, raise your hand. Let's get the hands up. $92 people, $94, $100. Just $100 people in our community hold Bitcoin. Come on, you guys have, you know, little Bitcoin in proof of reserve with me. Everybody raise your hand. Our whole community holds Bitcoin. Whole community, including the last guy who put $100 in, they also hold Bitcoin. Okay. So while you guys think that you are holding Bitcoin and you will not sell, right? You will not sell your Bitcoins. It is your hodl strategy. You are holding on to your dear life. But you need to also increase these holdings with time. How would you increase? You need to multiply what you have in liquidity. As simple as this is the basic concept of the crypto DeFi industry. Eventually it is Bitcoin, but see this. So eventually it is Bitcoin, and how you will increase your holdings is through the market. So we are there at the origin where market will have the inflow of the finances, where the industry, which is $2 trillion, potentially $10 trillion, is going to see the money flowing. And these guys, they make the most of the money which goes in the market. There is a reason why I did not say the people who buy crypto, the people who put money. Because when you as a user, you buy crypto, it is considered as a cash flow. It can be used, it can be burned, it can be transferred. The investment, the capital, the real foundation of this industry comes from funds, comes from top tier funds. That's why top tier funds, VCs, they make a lot of money. And that's why we introduced 3.0 tokens. That's why we introduced Capital 3.0, and I will distribute 2% every day in ROI without running a scam or Ponzi. So if on official recorded call I say these things, that means there is a whole structure which is there. So you can multiply your wealth by putting it at the right place at the right time. There is a reason why I did not introduce Capital 3.0 last year. This year, this time, because now we are all set to go in the bullish turn of the market. And that's the key. Maybe we will pause Capital 3.0 after the market movement gets normal post bull run. And we will start again. Maybe we will run slowly while the bear market, next bear market, and we will be again bullish by the next bull run. So I'm here, you guys are here. We will do everything together. And this is the best way, I think, through which you guys will be able to make more and more money. And I have also, made, and I have also realized a lot of returns using this route of investment, even in the bear market. But these opportunities are limited in the bear market. It is going to be abundant, and that's why I created this fund. Okay. All right. And the most and the biggest and the big news is the whole community, including leaders. First, Lucky started this, requesting me to reduce the entry size in the Capital 3.0 for the users who are in developing countries, underdeveloped countries. They also want to participate and multiply their money. So it was really, really challenging, to be very honest, because the ticket to enter or the entry, size into these funds, into these projects which are associated with these funds are $3 to $5 million. But we have to do this. So you guys need to work more hard, and you guys need to, recruit more and more members. But we will start with $100 in Capital 3.0 so that we have massive inclusion of all the countries, of different parts of the world. Everyone with minimum $100 can participate and take out $500 using Capital 3.0. And I know $500 is not a lot of money for some people, but in places in underdeveloped and developing countries, third world countries, it is a lot of money because $100 is a lot of money for them to accumulate and to put. So yes, we will make everybody rich with Capital 3.0, and this bull run we will see a massive traction, and we Are All Satoshi community is going to rock and roll. All right. Thank you so much. This is it. I think this Wednesday was, with 2 or 3 good announcements, positive things. Every week I try to accumulate positivity and come on Wednesday to you guys, but I can't. I'm not a genie. I cannot bring every week something interesting. But yes, here it is. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Shavez, you're in a roll. We are all riveted to our seats. So you can continue. A couple more. But that is wow. Thank you so much. That is just fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Your heart is in the right place, along with your integrity and your ability and your work ethic. You're working very hard to go ahead and bring us and make us realize, as you say, you stay, you're going to go ahead and realize a fortune with Waas. Thank you so much for that. I believe Tashi has questions.
Yes.
And
Yes.
David.
Shavez, thank you so much. This was a great strategic move. In fact, a very, very great move to accommodate as many people as possible with Capital 3.0. This is something community deserve this thing that you have implemented. So thank you so much, and thank you for showing up on this Wednesday call. This brings so much confidence in community and clarity as well. So thank you for all that you are doing. And if we speak of Capital 3.0, Shavez, maybe no. Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I don't want to for interrupting you. I'd like to be able to also thank Lucky for her generosity and for her thinking of the entire community, demonstrating her leadership. And thank you so much for that idea and giving it and being able to discuss it with Trashit to include the international world. Thank you.
Lucky is one of the strongest pillar we have on this with this community, and she is the bridge between the corporate and the community. Thank you, Lucky. Thank you for everything that you are doing. And Shavez, getting back onto Capital 3.0, we had many calls with leaders, and they still don't have clarity. How do we give value to token 3.0? We are doing 2% compounding every day, right? But how does in real time it gets to the coins are getting to 5x, they are getting 5x, but how do they get their dollar value? How is it possible?
Okay, so their dollar value is equivalent to the value it will be claimed with the project tokens. It is not going to be a token which will be listed on exchanges and where pump and dump can be done. So this is the way all the scams have been done so far. All of you, 513 people excluding me, have lost your money in scams like this exactly the same way. So ROI is given in tokens, and then token is let's say $5, and then it drops to 5 cents. And at 5 cents, there is no liquidity in the exchanges so that you can sell. You just see the price at 5 cents. So that's pump and dump of the industry. So we will not list this token anywhere. This is your claim to your ROI. And this token is stable, is $1 for the sake of calculation for mathematical purposes. So that if you put $100, you realize $500 back in terms of your ROI. If you do not network, if you are not an affiliate marketer, you just make the ROI. That means you have to have $500 worth of 3.0 tokens to claim the project tokens. So while the projects will get listed on Waas in the there's a 3.0 wallet also inside your dashboard. So when you will click on the 3.0 wallet, you will see your tokens and you can swap your 3.0 tokens into project tokens in the timely order when the listing will be done.
So Shavez, token 3.0 cannot be bought, they cannot be sold, they cannot be transferred, they can only be swapped to project tokens.
Yes.
And
yes.
when they would be swapped to project tokens, whatever the allocation value of the project tokens would be, so we will be able to swap these tokens from token 3.0 to the project tokens, right? But still, how are we able to give 500 tokens? How are we generating that value? That is what people are still not able to understand clearly.
So this is where all the scams are built. This is where all the Ponzi schemes are built. So how we are different? We are putting your 35% into allocations of via these top tier funds. And when there is allocation via these top tier funds in unicorns, all these funds we have in pitch deck, you can go and check their website, you can have their track record, and you can see their returns on projects that they have made. It is on an average more than 100x on mostly all of them. So we have a contract and we enter into some deal only when it is minimum 15 to 17x. So this 35% becomes 5x using the 15 to 17x strategy, and that's where you see your tokens getting swapped out into project tokens worth 5x. And the mathematics is so accurate. So I'll tell you, we distributed 65% in the network. We have 35%. This 65% which is distributed in the network is the reward for inviting people, for bringing people on board, and it is not even calculated, it is not considered even in the ROI. Most of the scams, how they run, all of the scams, all of the ROI Ponzi schemes, they have ticket size, $100, and the ROI is coming on $100 every day. So I don't understand where the money comes from. I still don't understand. And there is no money, of course. That's just illusion. So we have very clear, concrete structure, financial structure in which 35% goes to the funds. It turns into 5x. And it only turns into 5x for the people who have not made money in the affiliate side. So if you withdraw part of your 5x from affiliate side, you will get only, let's say you withdraw $2,000 and your ROI is $5,000 total potential income. You withdraw $2,000 from the affiliate, you have 3,000. You will only have $3,000 worth of token allocation. That means your 35% became only 3,000. So this is the magical calculation of, this is ROI 101, right?
So I believe we will be choosing the projects which will have at least 15x to 20x to those type of projects, so that very easily this token which are worth the dollar value, we will be able to encash through project tokens. Is it correct?
Yes.
And how frequent this allocations would be, Shavez?
So it can be ranging from 2 months, 3 months to 6 months. Also, some will be 8 to 10 months as well. So we will be setting up and structuring with the deal flows, including small, medium, and long-term opportunities. That means the project tokens will be available on Waas, and 3.0 token will be liquidated in a timely fashion. So it will not be like you have 132 days to achieve your exhaust your 5x. In between, your liquidation will keep happening.
And people, of course, have an option to claim 5x from the affiliate side as fast as they want.
That is every day. Every day.
Brilliant. So Shavez, coming back to Boomerang, so what you have mentioned, I'll just repeat that, and I request you to just affirm this. So after this maintenance, we are expecting on maybe around 13th that Polygon APIs will be functional. So we will be getting out of maintenance, and we will be having, of course, 2 trades which have been made possible on Polygon. And after a couple of days, we will again get back to maintenance. And once we get out of that first maintenance, so we will have 4 trades on Polygon, correct?
Yes.
And
Correct.
after this, maybe after 4 to 5 days of functional trading, we will again go back to maintenance, and we will have then the redistribution of trades as per the profit ceilings.
Yes.
So that means
Yes.
whosoever is having high profit ceilings, they will have more number of trades. Is it so?
More
Or high volume of
yes.
trades?
More number of trades in descending order of your profit ceilings. So let's say somebody has bigger profit, have more number of trades, and this will be.
That means
Yes.
whosoever is having high profit ceilings, they will have more number of trades. Is it so?
More
Or high volume of
yes.
trades. And after a couple of days, we will again get back to maintenance. And back to Boomerang. So what you have mentioned, I'll just repeat that, and I request you to just affirm this. So after this maintenance, we are expecting on maybe around 13th that Polygon APIs will be functional. So we will be getting out of maintenance, and we will be having, of course, 2 trades which have been made possible on Polygon. And after a couple of days, we will again get back to maintenance. And once we get out of that first maintenance, so we will have 4 trades on Polygon, correct?
Yes.
And
Correct.
after this, maybe after 4 to 5 days of functional trading, we will again go back to maintenance, and we will have then the redistribution of trades as per the profit ceilings.
Yes.
So that means
Yes.
whosoever is having high profit ceilings, they will have more number of trades. Is it so?
More
Or high volume of
yes.
trades.
More number of trades in descending order of your profit ceilings. So let's say somebody has a bigger profit ceiling, they will have more number of trades, and this will be starting from 100 and going backwards. So testing accounts will be reinstated. These profit ceiling based number of trades will be increased.
And after that, we will again go to maintenance. And with that, we will have 8 trades
8 trades on Polygon.
on
Yes.
Polygon. And what about Arbitrum?
So during this process, we will test once Arbitrum, and after testing with the community, we will go back again for deployment, just like we tested 2 trades. And then to make it permanent functionality, we did a lot of work in the background. So we will have test with Arbitrum or Base. Both the networks are ready. Both the services are getting, configured, but it is, I don't know which one we will go first right now, but both are ready. It will depend on the traffic and the testing. So we will do testing within these 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
So by the end of this month, should we expect around, of course, we should expect 8 trades at least. And along with that, if Arbitrum and Base is possible, maybe
Then
one of the blockchain, 2 blockchains.
Two trades on one network.
2 trades on one network. Wow. And Shavez, about the 9pay card, one more other concern on 9pay is about the licensing. Majority of the crypto credit card issuers, they face challenges in terms of licensing in different countries. How are we compliant with that? Of course, Visa association with Visa is one of the credibility, but still we would like to know how are we doing that?
Okay, I will tell you and tell every one of you how other crypto cards which you have seen, except for the exchange cards, they are created. Okay, they create a pool of few cryptocurrencies, and there is no registration, nothing. There are few card providers. You can Google. Every one of you can Google can I find prepaid card providers? So they order cards, prepaid cards. They put their brand, hot stamp on the cards. They send it to you, all these providers, and these are prepaid cards. So you load crypto, you spend, and you throw the card. That's why these cards don't work after 3 to 4 months, 5 months. So this is normal. Okay, then comes the exchange-based cards, which are like from Binance, from Nexo. Nexo have also card. So these are proper crypto cards which are legitimate, legal. And then there is 9pay card. So we are also like exchange cards, but we don't have any restrictions because we are payment providers. Also, we have all these structures, all these companies and all these licenses which are under 9pay, under my name. So we have licensing directly from Visa. We have the lending company that provides you credit when you spend, and all these licenses are ours. So in terms of regulations, licenses, we just operate like a bank in a parallel world. So bank's operation is to take deposits and give interest. Our foundation is to take crypto and give you interest. So staking program. Okay, bank provides you card to spend. We don't provide card to spend, but we provide you card on which you put crypto and you can spend. We are payment cards. So it's a payment credit card. So no challenges. I have released a list of countries in which we will physically send card. Virtual cards will be functional everywhere where Visa works. That's why on the website is going to go live in next 1 or 2 days. I will publish it, and on the pitch deck it is written we are accepted by 100 million plus merchants. So
The
it
very
is
first page, yeah.
yeah, it's Visa which is accepted by 100 plus merchants, right?
And this banking thing, will it be compulsory for everybody? Everybody will get by default IBAN numbers?
No. It will be your choice if you want to get IBAN numbers. If you are dealing with, if your business is there, if you have your personal needs which require sending money to each other internationally, then you take it.
Okay, great. And shall we some basic questions about nodes which are not yet functional? I think with the BDCC updates finally done, when can we expect the nodes to start functioning?
So updates are done, nodes are reinstated, validators are reinstated. Now new nodes are getting configured. So hopefully they are active now. I believe if users check, they might be active, or if not, then they check nearly by the end of the day today, by US prime time, it will be functional.
Great. And Shavez, what's one last question about the timeline? When are we expecting the 9pay applications to be available and Capital 3.2?
Okay, so 9pay will be released by the end of this month. We are deciding date 27th or 30th of September. Between these two dates, let's see how fast is the tech is ready, everything is ready. Okay, to be very honest, the only challenge is connecting WAS and 9pay, the bridge between 9pay and WAS, because your cash backs on spending are going to be in USDT BTC 20. So these services are something which are, you know, additional, new, but I will make sure everything will be done, and we will just configure the spending, because spending needs to be calculated and the data has to be sent to WAS, and then you will be paid into spending. So these functionalities are getting created. So hopefully by 27 or 30, we will release the app, And for Capital 3.0, 15th September, our testing will finish. And after 15, we can go live. I will decide the date according to, yes, I believe in numerology. So I will see some numbers. I will see when is the right time. So after 15, between 15 to 20, we will go live with Capital 3.0.
Thanks, Shavez. These were amazing updates, and thank you, Lucky, as well. Thank you, Grace. David, if you have any questions, I'll invite you, please.
I do. Sorry.